It's packing day. The packers and movers team is on its way to the house, and I can't believe that it's goodbye time already. Like, while I'm so excited for the next phase of my life, I'm also so sad to say bye to this house because it was so good to us. It's been blissful. We've made so many memories in this house. We've grown as individuals in this house. Ollie has had such a good time here. And yeah, our friends also love this house a lot. We had a lot of fun. So saying goodbye to all of them in the last 2 days was a little hard. Packers and movers truck is here. Insane. Insane. How do you feel?
Heavy.
I think about this a lot, you know. हम बक्सों के अंदर रहते हैं, हमारा सामान बक्सों के अंदर रहता है, और उस सारे सामान के साथ हमारी आइडियोलॉजीज़, पर्सनल लिमिटेशंस, सोसाइटल एक्सपेक्टेशंस भी रहती हैं. हाँ, कंफर्टेबल है ये सब, पर शायद ये ही हमें अपनी खुद की इस लिमिटलेस एग्जिस्टेंस को एक्सपीरियंस करने से रोकता है. कभी कभी सोचती हूँ लायबिलिटी है या एसेट. एक दिन इन सारे बक्सों के बिना रहना चाहूँगी. तब तक चला लूँगी काम, खुशी ढूंढ लूँगी इस डिल्यूजन में. वो कहते हैं ना आजकल जेनजी लैंग्वेज में, डिलूलू इज़ द न्यू सोलूलू. यप, सेम दैट.
Are you ready to drive the Himalayan in Goa? Yeah? Our saman is all packed up and ready to meet us in Goa. I can't believe I'm gonna go upstairs to an empty house. You know, it is crazy. Every single time I connect with a place, it rains the day I'm leaving. And Bangalore has been so hot for the last 1 month. But today, when all the stuff is packed up and ready to go, it begins to rain. It's just, I always feel like it's the place saying thank you, and I'm also able to appreciate it. It's like a mutual goodbye. So just the last bits are left. Some things we have to donate, some things we're going to take with us in the bus to Goa. And tonight we're going to stay at one of our friends Shreya's place because we don't have anything or anywhere to sleep, as you can see. So yep.
The water in heaven. I'm looking. Let's go.
She got us wind chime for a new house. Yay! Yay! Last year I had to pack up like 2 houses. One my mom's and then mine, because my mom was shifting to Canada and I was going to shift to Bangalore with Shubham. It didn't feel as hard. This is just feeling like something else. I don't know why, I don't know how it's feeling so much more overwhelming. But maybe it's probably because I really started from scratch over here, and now I'm going to start from scratch all over again in Goa. So I have nothing but gratitude in my heart for this house and Bangalore in general, for all that it has taught me and given me this last year. I'm very, very grateful. Get out. Bye.
We knew what we wanted before we.
For both houses, huh?
It's done.
Are you ready for Goa?
Yes, I am. Of course.
AC is already fixed, huh?
I'm sure I may not be able to do this because I've never done it before, so then she won't be step in, but here's to try. Like, just like this.
Yeah, जोर से. Perfect.
टूटा नहीं, ये सूख गया.
हो गया. It's done.
It's not broken.
That's okay. The shell's broken, no? Wow, very mature.
Welcome to our new house in Goa.
अब उसका उठा के हम लोग प्रसाद देंगे, उसको छोड़ना नहीं है.
प्रसाद देना होता है? I have no idea what to do with this damn coconut.
So you just want to do it for the theatrics.
You bought it. You bought it along with us. It's supposed to be like a good thing, yeah?
Yeah.
So this is the entrance of the house. This is the field. Don't worry about the water. The balcony is getting cleaned upstairs. And this is what the house looks like from the inside. That is Shubham. One window, two window. This is the kitchen space. Yes, I need to figure out the partition scene. This is one washroom. And this is the guest room. We're gonna get rid of this single bed and put a double bed here instead. And get rid of these curtains as well. Go upstairs. So this is going to be our work area. Didi is cleaning the balcony right now. And that is the view. Hoo-hoo. This is going to be reverse, or we're going to keep the bed, I don't know, but this is what the room looks like. That's the washroom. We have to sort out the floor. The landlord will send somebody. But yes, overall. And that is the house. This is our neighbor. You better be worth it, Goa. No. A place can't be worth it until I make it worth it. I have to make it worth it. Okay, I'll see you in the next vlog. Abhi end karte. Bye.